So here is Swatch Pay App. Pay with your Swatch. Quick and easy setup. Just download the app and follow the steps. Payments made easy. Pay easily with just a wave of your wrist. Pay with style. Choose from many stylish designs made for active lifestyles. Monitor your spending. Discreet way to pay. Hassle-free settings control. Thanks to Swatch Pay, making contactless payment is super stylish and easy. Is the ultimate blend of convenience and self expression. Just link your payment account to a Swatch Pay watch using the app and you're good to go. Leave your wallet at home because all you need is your Swatch Pay watch for secure, hassle-free payments wherever you are. Uh, so you can see that payments verified by use a MasterCard. You can track them. Easily delete to suspend the payment function using the Swatch Pay app in case your watch goes missing. So that's the Swatch Pay. Pretty cool, right? So this is a new app. It's making some virality on TikTok. So wait, do I need also to carry my iPhone with it? Or no? Like, because if I need to carry my phone with it, this is just the same. I can just pay with my phone, whatever. So let's see. So you can see, and then you can see this is the price in Danish krona. So you can see starting from like $100, you can just see which have this functionality enabled. You can just see the simple watch, and then this is like NFC payment functionality. So pay contactless with your watch just got cooler. Is discreet. It's effortless for any active lifestyle. So yeah, exactly. When you're doing some active lifestyle, like surfing, whatever, you don't wanna hang around also your phone with you in some like waterproof like pocket, whatever. So this is definitely a great niche, especially for active lifestyle and so on. So pretty interesting. And then so let's just set it up. So when I open it up again, I can just you need to create your account or sign in. You can see supported cards. So you can see just literally the list. So seems not all of the banks are actually supported in here. Interesting. So that's what it is. But yeah, there you have it. What do you guys think about this?